You have hundreds of followers. Your phone is constantly buzzing with notifications, group chats, and likes. Yet, you're sitting in your room right now, staring at a screen, feeling completely and utterly alone. How is it possible to be the most connected generation in human history, but also the loneliest? This isn't just in your head. It's a psychological epidemic, and it's literally rewiring our biology. Welcome to the paradox of modern loneliness. To understand the pain of loneliness, we have to go back in time. For thousands of years, humans survived in tight-knit tribes. To be separated from your tribe meant certain death. Because of this, your brain evolved a warning system. When you are isolated, your brain triggers a stress response. It actually registers loneliness in the exact same part of the brain that registers physical pain. It hurts because it's supposed to force you to go find your tribe. But today, the system is broken. We have replaced real tribes with digital ones. We engage in parasocial relationships. We watch YouTubers and influencers for hours, tricking our brains into thinking we are spending time with friends. But it's a one-way street. They don't know you exist. Furthermore, we've lost our third places. In the past, people had home, work, and a free third place, like a local park, a community center, or a neighborhood diner, where they could just exist and talk to strangers. Today, those places are gone or cost money to exist in. We go from our isolated apartments to our isolated cubicles, or worse, we work entirely from a laptop in our bedrooms. The digital world offers us the illusion of companionship, giving us empty calories of connection. It fills the stomach, but starves the body. So, how do we fix it? How do we find our tribe again? First, we have to break the screen barrier. A text message releases a tiny fraction of the oxytocin, the bonding hormone, compared to hearing a human voice or making eye contact. Call a friend instead of texting them. Second, embrace the awkwardness of the real world. Go to a local class, a club, or a community event. Yes, it will be uncomfortable at first. Your brain has forgotten how to handle unscripted, raw human interaction. But that discomfort is the price of genuine connection. You are not broken for feeling lonely. Your biology is just begging for real human contact in a world made of glass and pixels. It's time to log off, step outside, and be seen. If this video made you feel a little less alone, hit subscribe. Let's figure this world out together.